Let's look at the world of combined probability. Now, when we say combined, it's just a fancy term of saying or doing addition in the world of probabilities. So, adding. So, let's just say throwing a dice. Yeah, it's a very simple example, a dice. And the first thing you need to do is work out all the possibilities that is going to be a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6. Yeah, these are the ones that comes out. So this is going to be 1 out of 6. Same. 1 out of 6. 1. Yeah. Out of how many? Oops. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So there's 1, 3 out of all the possibilities. So here, now as a review, the probability of a number is really what we call a specific number, yeah, over the general, yeah, or the all possibilities. There it is. And in here you could work out the differences between probability and possibility. Yeah, it could be a good discussion for an English subject to those who want an uh, integrated way of doing things. But this is what it is. Yeah. And so each one has 1/6, yeah, of a possibility or a probability that it will appear. And so when we do combine, we could say, well, when it's not combined, you just say the probability that one will turn up is 1 out of 6. Yeah. Specific number 1, all the possibilities 6. Now, what if I say, what's the probability that it's either a 2 or a 3? 2 or a 3. What's the probability? Well, the way we do it is we split them into two. Yeah, you could say it's going to be, what's the probability that it's a 2 plus what's the probability that it's a 3? And you could say, well, what's the probability that 2 will come out? It's 1 out of 6. What's the probability that 3 will come out? It's 1 out of 6. Basic fractions, a sixth and a sixth equals 2/6. And you simplify, the answer would be 1/3. Yes, simplified as 2/6. And that's basic thoughts on what probability is. I'm going to have a different example. What's the probability that it's going to be an even number? Even number, right? So you have to recognize what are the even numbers. Well, it's going to be the probability, yeah, that 2 is an even number. Well, 4 is an even number. Plus 6 is an even number. There. And so you work out what's the probability that it's a 2? It's 1/6. What's the probability that it's a 4? It's 1/6. And what's the probability that it's a 6? It's 1/6. And so you add all three. Yeah, basic fractions. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. The same denominator, so you just copy them. And then simplify. Yeah, so the probability is 1/2 or 0.5 or 50%. And that's how it will work when you do combined probability. So I'm going to give you a homework. It's going to be just so simple homework. What is the probability that it's going to be a prime number? Prime number. So that's really what it is. The other question would be, what's the probability that it's going to be a 5, okay, let's say a 3 or a 5. So you get 2 questions there. Please send the answers through an email, and I'll see you tomorrow.